One runner. I researched these dogs. I am obsessed. Their eyes are the same color taupe as their body. They are. This is a purebred. This is a big deal.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay. His name is Bobo. He's been it says a Taiwanese street dog for 4 years. What does that mean?
Well, he was found on the streets. He was originally bought in a pet store, and the owner couldn't care for him anymore.
In Taiwan?
Yep.
Okay.
So they just released him in the streets, and a Taiwanese rescue contacted us here, and he flew 15 hours by plane in the cargo, and now he's here with us.
Now, dear, I'm reading this, and Vanessa, thank you for joining us. It says he has multiple scars. One front leg has a scar tissue due to blunt force trauma. He has a limp. Now, it was a sweet dog. Now, do you think that was from maybe being hit by a car, or just maybe... Look at this dog! It's totally adorable.
Yeah, I mean, we don't know what happened. It could have been hit by a car. Somebody could have hit him. But
people at home, I'm telling you. Wow, what a jewel. They're all jewels on the show, but I'm telling you, one runner, there's a place in my heart for these dogs. He is very, very sweet. Because he used to have to scavenge for his food, he's so grateful when he gets water or food or a blanket. And I'm telling you, rescue dogs, you know this from working with them as I do, Vanessa. There's something different. They just are so grateful to have food every day and, and shelter and a warm blanket to sleep on. That this is how... I love when he's stretched out like he's at a beach on a blanket. Okay, I'm a little obsessed with Bobo. You know what? I'm going to say, Simon Cowell, you need a dog. And you've got that beautiful house to move into, you need a companion. And not as a female persuasion this time. A dog, okay? And don't use travel as an excuse. You can leave the dog with me when you're over there in England doing Britain's Got Talent. The dog is your name written on it. And if not me, then you out there. Look at Bobo. Oh. Okay, so the phone number, Jillian. Work with me. 818-767-5919. And this is from Friends from Pet Foundation. Thank you for joining us. Thank you so much.